Every organization has powerful stories. Stories of people, purpose, and impact that deserve to be heard. But too often those stories remain hidden, buried inside meetings, reports, and mission statements. For more than a decade, McCosh Films has helped organizations tell their stories through award-winning media. But the real power comes when organizations learn to uncover and tell those stories themselves. The Story Engine teaches teams how to discover the meaningful stories inside their work and communicate them with clarity, authenticity, and purpose. Because when you understand the story, you control the message. The Story Engine, a McCosh Films initiative.